A squared plus B squared plus C squared.
Okay, Pythagorean Theorem. Okay, you guys should have seen this a lot, hopefully in 8th grade. That's okay. Don't worry about it. Now, the formula is A squared plus B squared equals C squared. Now let me talk about what A, B, and C are. If you already know it, then do not talk. The faster I get through with this, the faster you get to work on your homework.
We're having homework.
Now, the A and B, like I was saying before, are considered the legs. Okay? The A and B are considered the legs. The legs are the lines that make up the right angle. You see that little right angle sign over there? These are considered the legs. They make up that right angle. Now the C, does anybody know what the word is? What it's called?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. Absolutely.
Oh, I've only learned this in the past 3 straight years.
And it is opposite the right angle. Okay, so this is anytime you have a side over here and it's opposite that right angle, that's considered the hypotenuse. We got the legs of A and B. Okay. So let's say if we have an example like this.
Steve Burns.
32, 60. And let's say we want to find C. Okay? Well, all we have to do is use that formula. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So my A is 32 and my B is 60. Guys, it doesn't have to be 32 has to be your A or 60 has to be your B. Your A and B are really interchangeable. Okay? It doesn't matter what order you put them in. That does not matter. The only one that matters is that C, or that hypotenuse. All of these have to be equal to it. Okay? So,
How do you figure out the 32 and the 60? Or is it just spread off?
that's just an example. Okay? So, if I wanted to figure out C, I would go 32 squared plus 60 squared equals C squared. Okay? Now, I would use your calculator. Tell me what 32 squared plus 60 squared gives you.
1,000 squared is 32 squared is 1,024, and then 60 squared.
So someone figure that out for me, please.
4624.
4624 equals C squared. Okay, good. How do we solve for C?
You divide or square root? Yeah.
Square root.
If C is squared, the opposite of squaring it is right. Kenny plurals were right. Huh? Did you guys catch that? Kenny plurals. Okay. So the opposite of squaring something is taking the square root of it. So to get C by itself, you got to take the square root of it and take the square root of the other side also. What is that?
4, 6, what is it, 2, 4?
Mm-hmm.
68.
68.
And C.
So the length of C is 68. So we're solving for A now, a little bit different than the first example. Still uses the same exact formula though. So A squared plus B squared, what's my B?
11.
Is equal to what?
19 squared.
Okay, don't get confused. Even though this triangle is kind of flipped.
There's a thing right up there. You knocked on your door.
A little bit different than the first example. Don't get confused about what's A, B, and C. Remember, A and B does not matter, and they connect to make this little right angle. The C value is always opposite of it. Opposite of that right angle is the C value. So make sure you have that set up correctly. Now, someone tell me what 11 squared and what 19 squared is.
421. 482.
219. No, wait, my bad.
What?
I had 98. That's right.
11 11 squared is 121.
Yeah.
18 squared is 361.
361.
Yes, it is.
361.
Wait, how'd you get? Oh,
You got subtract.
Yeah, we got to subtract. Good, 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 good.
I have been very mathy lately.
Mathy.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a word, but I guess so.
I
What
guess
does that
so.
give me?
Did you just say I guess so? Did you just say I guess so?
361, 240.
Did you say I guess so?
Then square root of that.
Wait, did you divide that?
So the square root of 240 is what?
15.49,
15.49. That's okay.